Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of representing data. This is standard 4.9a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 13 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a pretty short list here of lengths of some toy boats, and we have one toy boat that is still needing to be measured, and it's kind of hiding underneath our ruler right here. So we actually have the length right here on this line, and what we need to do is we need to use the ruler on the mathematics chart to go ahead and measure that to the nearest centimeter. Now, in order to make this work on a screen, what I had to do is I actually had to print out this paper, print out the mathematics chart ruler, cut it out, and then lay it on top of our toy boat. So the toy boat is currently hiding underneath our ruler right here, but we can see our line that we need to measure right here. So we need to find the measurement, add that to our list, and then after we do all of that, we need to create a dot plot. So quite a few steps, but they're not super complicated. So I actually lined it up upside down just so we could see more of what's written underneath here, which is this part right here. And so we see that we're starting at 0. This toy boat goes from 0 to 10. So it looks pretty straightforward. This is about 10 centimeters. And that's why we print it out and cut it out so we can put it on a screen and it stays the same. So we're just going to add that 10 to that box right there. And now we have our complete list. All we need to do is match this up to our dot plot. So let's just go ahead and make our own dot plot, and then we will find the one that matches our own. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's all right, we'll have a little bit left over, 10. All right, so we notice that we can either do them in order, or this is such a short list. Let's go ahead and just put them in order as we do it. 5, 5, and 5. Let's just grab those three. Now, when we make dot plots, our job is to try to make each dot kind of that same distance apart, and we want to line them up with each other so you can look at them straight across. So we've got 1, 6. So I want to try to make this first dot on 6 that same level as that first dot on 5. We've got nothing on 7, so we leave it blank. We do have an 8. We want to line this up with the first dot on both 5 and 6. And then we've got 2 10s, right? Because that second 10 is the one that we had to measure. So we're going to line this up with the first one. And then we will put, there we go. That second one, we want to line that up with the second one. So there's our dot plot. Not very impressive. There's not many numbers, just 7. So let's take a look at our answer choices. Take a look at what A does. A simply puts one dot for each number that's represented. There's a 5, there's a 6, there's an 8, and there's a 10, which is exactly what we have down here. 5, 6, 8, and 10. But it's incorrect because it doesn't add. We should have 3 5s up here, and we should have an extra 10. So dot plots don't work by just putting one dot for each number that's represented. You actually have to make it climb like a bar graph. So B, well, B's got 3 5s. That's good. 6, one of them. 8, but take a look at 10. 10 should have 2. And remember, the second one is the one that we measured. So it only gives you the one that is in that list right here. The one that we measured is that second one. So I would probably guess that if you're going to choose an incorrect answer, you would choose B. But it is incorrect. It's missing that 10 we measured. 5 is good. 6 is good. 8, no, it's just that 9 should be up there, so that's no good. We've got a 5, we've got a 6, we've got an 8, yep, and we've got 2 10s. Our answer here is D.